little artists! Are you ready for a fun drawing adventure today? We're going to draw cute feet and hands. Grab your black markers, and let's get started. Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. First, let's draw the left foot. Start with a curved line for the heel. Then draw the toes and connect back to the heel. Great job! Wow! Now, let's draw the right foot the same way. Start with the curved line for the heel. Draw the toes and connect back to the heel.
Cool!
Next, let's draw a hand. Start with a curved line for the palm, then draw each finger and thumb, connecting them back to the palm.
Awesome!
Now, let's draw the other hand the same way. Start with the curved line for the palm, draw each finger and thumb, and connect them back to the palm. Our drawing is looking great.
Wow!
Now, let's make the outlines bold and sharp with our black marker to make the artwork pop. Wow! Look at those awesome feet and hands. They look fantastic. Now it's time to bring our drawing to life with some vibrant colors. Show your color pens. We're going to use lots of fun colors today. Let's start with yellow color.
Wow!
Next, use blue color.
Cool!
Then, use navy blue color. Now, use deep pink color.
Awesome!
For the next part, use green color. Now, use pink color.
Wow!
Use red color. Then, use orange color.
Cool!
Finally, use maroon color. Fantastic job, little artists! Your feet and hands look so colorful and fun. Keep practicing and making amazing art. Don't forget to share your drawings with us. Until next time, happy drawing! Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.